Dropshipping has changed. The old model of random suppliers, long shipping times, and constant customer complaints no longer works. If you want to build a real dropshipping business today, you need reliable suppliers, fast delivery, and automation that actually saves time. That's where Doba comes in. Doba is no longer just a basic supplier directory. It's a complete dropshipping ecosystem that connects you with over 1 million products from pre-vetted suppliers. Most of these suppliers operate from US-based warehouses, which means faster shipping, better tracking, and happier customers. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how Doba works and how you can use it to build a scalable, long-term business. We'll explore the platform step by step, uncover advanced product filtering techniques, dive into Doba's AI-powered tools, including the brand new AI listing migrator, and most importantly, talk about how to use all of this to actually make profit. If you're serious about dropshipping and want to avoid the common mistakes beginners make, this video is for you. Let's get started. Once you sign in to Doba, everything starts from a clean and simple dashboard. The first thing you'll want to do is connect your store. Doba supports major platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and even TikTok Shop, and the setup process takes just a few clicks. No technical skills required. After connecting your store, you can immediately start exploring products. This is where Doba really stands out. Instead of scrolling through endless low-quality listings, you get access to curated product categories such as top-ranking products, high-profit items, new arrivals, premium suppliers, and TikTok Shop selections. These lists are designed to help you find products that are already in demand. When you find a product you like, importing it to your store is as simple as one click. Doba automatically syncs product images, descriptions, pricing, and real-time inventory levels. This means no manual uploads and no worrying about selling out-of-stock products. When a customer places an order on your store, Doba handles the rest. You pay the wholesale price, and the supplier ships the product directly to your customer. You don't deal with storage, packaging, or shipping logistics. Doba also keeps pricing transparent. There are no per-order fees or hidden charges. You simply pay a monthly subscription, which makes it much easier to scale your business without unexpected costs eating into your profits. Finding a good product is only half the game. Knowing how to sell it is what actually makes you money. With Doba's standard plan, you get access to the Elite Academy. This is a built-in learning platform packed with step-by-step masterclasses, strategy guides, and ebooks. The Elite Academy covers everything from product research and pricing strategies to branding, paid ads, and scaling your store. It's like having a dropshipping mentor inside the platform, especially useful if you're still learning the business. Then there's the Video Hub, which is a huge advantage in today's short-form content era. The Video Hub helps you find, showcase, and market products more effectively. You can browse sourcing ideas, explore influencer picks to spot trending items, and watch supplier showcases. Many suppliers provide ready-made, high-quality video ads that you can download and use instantly. This means you don't need to film products yourself or spend money on video production. You get professional-looking content that's perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and paid ads. Doba also integrates powerful AI tools designed to save time and improve performance. The AI Store Builder allows you to launch a fully functional Shopify store in minutes, complete with layout, product pages, and structure. AI Picker analyzes market trends and suggests profitable products based on your niche. AI Auto Lister keeps your store fresh by updating it with trending products automatically. And the AI Listing Optimizer creates SEO-friendly titles and descriptions that work across multiple sales channels. One of the most impressive features is the AI Listing Migrator. This tool allows you to transfer products between different stores with a single click. No copy-pasting, no rewriting descriptions, and no manual edits. Everything stays synced, which is perfect if you're managing multiple stores or testing different markets. Doba is built for sellers who want a clean, automated, and scalable dropshipping business. It removes the biggest barriers in the industry: unreliable suppliers, slow shipping, lack of marketing content, and complicated inventory management. With Doba handling logistics, product sourcing, and automation, you can focus on what actually grows your business: marketing, branding, and creativity. If you're serious about dropshipping this year, don't just watch videos about it. Take action. Sign up for Doba, connect your store, and explore the US Direct section to see what products are available right now. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, hit like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Are you focusing on Shopify or TikTok Shop this year? I'll see you in the next video.